Are you thinking about buying a home but wondering how different income types like part-time work, a second job, or even tips may affect your ability to qualify for a home loan? Good news. You're in the right place because I'm going to break down the requirements for these types of income and how they're evaluated by lenders. Let's get started. If you're working part-time, lenders will want to see that you've been doing so for at least 2 years and that the income is expected to continue for at least 3 more years. They'll calculate your qualifying income for averaging your earnings over the last 2 years. So, if your part-time work has been consistent and you're planning to stick with it, it could play a big role in helping you qualify for a home loan. What about income from a second job? Lenders will require a 2-year history of working both jobs simultaneously. They'll need to ensure that you didn't just pick up a second job to qualify for a mortgage with plans to quit afterwards. Not that you would do that. They'll also check to make sure that your second job doesn't negatively impact your primary job. For example, if working a second job affects your performance or reliability at your main job, it could raise concerns. Now, let's talk about tip income. Lenders will average your tips over 2 years to calculate your qualifying income. But there's a catch. You must report your tip income to the IRS for it to count. So, if you're in a tip-heavy job like a server or a bartender, make sure you're keeping your good records and reporting your earnings. For those with seasonal income, like working in a summer resort or retail during the holidays, lenders may allow you to qualify if there's a regular pattern of seasonal income and unemployment income. Again, you'll need a 2-year history for this work. However, lenders will look at trends in your income. If it's going down year over year, they may require more documentation or only use the most recent year's average. Stability is key here. So let's recap. Lenders accept many types of income beyond the standard full-time salary. Whether you're working part-time, juggling 2 jobs, or even earning tips, it's always worth applying, even if you're not sure you'll qualify. Every situation is unique, so don't let these concerns keep you from reaching out to a lender to explore your options. They'll be able to help you figure out how to make your income work for your home buying goals. For more details about how to qualify for a mortgage with varying incomes, like the ones we've covered here, check out mortgageresearch.com. Until next time, thanks for watching and good luck on your journey to home ownership.